Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to recover your email ID without having to register the recovery email or mobile numbers. These tutorials will be very useful when someone who has hacked your or hijacked your email ID or stolen your email ID, or in case unfortunately you have lost your device. In that condition, of course, this will be very useful to have it. This ID has been recommended by one viewer, and of course now we would like to recover, so we will see live here how would I with alternative options we can approach. Here we know password, then we can enter, we can recover. If we don't know, then we will go with try another way. Now second options we don't have phone number, or either we don't have, so just we will elect these ones. Now it's essential that we did not provide enough information for the Google to be show that this account is mine. So how do I access to it? Yes, by providing the sufficient information for the Google to be show that this account would be mine. How it is possible? If I click here, try again, what will happen? This we will have a one platform will be open. There we will have to give an alternative email ID and upon some proof evidence endorse. On the basis of course, Google will justify that this account is really your or not. So it will take a totally approximately 48 hours or more than 48 hours. But quickly we would like to access, so just we will cut it from here. We will come in the Play Store. We will write here that is a start page browser. Of course we will go for install it. So it has started to install. We will back, and of course we will come in a Google product. We will hold the Google browser, and thereupon of course tap on a help icon, and thereupon click on notifications. We will make it disable. Of course we will back and navigate the location. So we will go in here. Yes, make it disable the precise location, and thereupon of course we will go for don't allow any. So it will notify to you that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. Fine, for time being we will do it. We will cut it from here, and thereupon of course once again we will come in a special I'm the Chrome and hold it, and thereupon of course we will go in a help icon, and thereupon make it notification blocks. We will click on a permission. Of course we will navigate the location once again, and thereupon of course we will make it disable, and thereupon don't allow. We will click on here anyway. Cut it from here. Now once again we will come in a Chrome, and of course hold it help icon, and yes, we will have to come in a browser app, and here is a start page. This one we will have to elect, and we will cut it from here. Now we will open this browser, and now as we see here we will have to accept all the term and condition. We will go for allow, start exploring now, and here according to your country of course we will have to go for, so just we will have a keyboard now, and I will write here Google co.in. Of course we will go ahead. So now as we see here we have a notify that sign in. Yes, we will go click on tap it guys. So now see the one page has been opened, and here simply this ID we will have to write here, and of course we will go for next. What will happen guys here, it will ask you password, so just we will go for forgot password, and thereupon yes it will ask you number. We don't have a number, so we will have to pick this one step by step. Now it's also saying the couldn't sign in, you didn't provide enough information, so don't click try again, otherwise similar platform will be opened. Just we will cut it from here, and we will try to approach alternative by tapping on a setting, guys. So let's see. Tap on a setting to, of course, we will have to come to Google service, and there proper explanation we will have to give. Click on a help icon, and thereupon, of course, we will go for can't sign in. Now, according to the situation here, we will have to go for see fourth number. Select the issues according to your requirements. Fourth issue is that you think someone else is using your accounts, means it has been hacked, it has been hijacked, or it has been stolen, or we have lost my Gmail ID due to losing of the device. Yes, we can go for fourth one is appropriate options. Now just we will go for secure your account. Yes, on this page review your account activities. Here just see find out if your account has been hacked is written there. Of course we will click on here. Now we will click here account, Google account, and now as we see here sign in. Just once again we will click on a security below of the sign in, and let's see directly we would be here. Now simply here we will have to enter this particular ID, and of course we will go for next, and directly we would be here. Now here is a welcoming, so here don't have to click by mistakenly on a continue, just we will have to pick the that is a update password. And when we will click here, now that we have a chance to create the strong password, guys. Of course we have also here alternative option, that is escape. When we escape, then we will go inside there, we will add their alternatives, emails, alternatives, number, and thereupon of course when we would like to reset the password, we can reset. Otherwise if I create here a strong password without changing of a specially registered mobile number, OTP, or any others emails as a recovery, then of course once again we won't be able to it will be a continuous hack. So that's why just to try to go in a create a strong password by skipping it, also add their recovery number, recovery especially email, and upon this side is your. This is all about, guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, I had a query below the comment box. Replies will be managed to the reply of the query, guys. And it is found acknowledgeable and informative. Then don't forget like, subscribe, share in this content, guys. Thank you very much for it. Have a great time, guys. Right now I'm not going to create the strong password on the live recorded, so after this recording off, of course we will go for create a strong password on this side, and of course I will deliver to the viewer. So thank you very much indeed.